Aetna's disability operation was bought by Hartford. What does that mean for you if you have a disability claim with Aetna? I'm John Tucker. I'm a disability insurance attorney. I represent people in group disability insurance cases that they've filed through their employer's disability plans all across the United States. Many people are insured, or were insured, by Aetna, and they don't know that Hartford has bought Aetna's book of business. You probably have noticed it if you have an active Aetna claim, because you've started to see Hartford letterhead instead of Aetna letterhead. If you haven't, it's coming. So what does that mean for you? What it means for you is that instead of Aetna's claim handling operation, you're now dealing with Hartford. Hartford historically was more aggressive in their claims handling than Aetna. They handled claims more rigorously. How does that go? They had adjusters look at files more regularly. They sent more forms. They had doctors review files behind the scenes and write reports explaining why people are not disabled. Sometimes they even send people out for an examination by a doctor they pick. Aetna did not do that as much. More importantly, Hartford's taking over this operation. They didn't make money on premium on all those claims on the front end. They're looking to cut people off. And we've started to see it as more clients have come into our firm who've been cut off by Hartford that had Aetna claims. Particularly for you, if you have a claim that's been paid by Aetna, beware. You may be facing heightened activity on your file that you don't even know about. They may send out surveillance. The adjuster may be taking more of a rigorous look at your claim. They're probably doing credit pulls if you've given an authorization to do that. They're probably looking at you on social media. Beware of all this, and the way you combat it, go to the doctor regularly. Make sure your doctors know all the problems that are keeping you from working still. Tell your friends and family what's going on. Let them understand what it's like to be inside your skin. And keep a disability journal. If you're not keeping a disability journal, start today. Write down what's happening in your world. Write down what your symptoms are, how bad things are. Write examples down of things you can't do or you can't do as well. If it hurts you so bad that you can't reach into your refrigerator to pull a half a gallon of milk out, put that in your notes. Write down how often that happens to you. Just an example of something, but write down as much as you can think about that would help somebody understand what it's like to be you and why you can't work. Beware of what's happening with Hartford now that they've taken over Aetna's disability insurance operation. If you're having a problem with Hartford, or if you just have questions, call us at the number on your screen. I'm John Tucker, and I represent people all over the country in cases just like yours. We have lots of experience with Hartford. I'm talking hundreds of cases. We can help you. Thank you for watching.